It's 2025. We're a decade out from the initial shock of the COVID-19 pandemic. Remember those early days, the empty streets, the frantic scramble for toilet paper? Feels like a lifetime ago. But the truth is, the world is still very much wrestling with the long arm of this pandemic. It's not just a bad memory. The effects are deeply woven into the fabric of our daily lives. From the economy to our health to the way our kids learn. We thought we were in the clear. Right, back to normal? Not so fast. This pandemic, like a virus itself, mutated and adapted, and so have we. It's time to take a hard look at what the next decade holds. We need to understand the challenges and, more importantly, seize the opportunities for a healthier, more resilient future. Hang on to your hazmat suits, folks. We've got work to do. Here's a sobering thought. We're still counting the dead. No, seriously. The grim reality is that global death rates are still elevated. It's not just the virus itself either. It's the domino effect. Think about it. Delayed medical care because hospitals were overwhelmed. The strain on our healthcare systems. The long-term health consequences even for those lucky enough to dodge the COVID bullet. Insurance companies are freaking out, and for good reason. They're called life insurance companies for a reason, right? But it's more than that. This excess mortality is a global crisis. It's impacting families, communities, and entire economies. We're talking about a generation forever marked by this pandemic. Remember when Pfizer was like the rock star of the pandemic, raking in cash hand over fist with their vaccines? Well, the after-party is officially over. Turns out even Big Pharma can't survive on booster shots alone. Pfizer's profits have taken a nosedive. But hey, it's not all doom and gloom. While some sectors are licking their wounds, others are booming. Education technology, or EdTech, is having a moment. See, the pandemic forced us all to embrace online learning, whether we were ready or not. And guess what? It turns out there's a lot of money to be made in teaching kids and adults from behind a screen. Let's talk about silver linings, shall we? Because amidst all the chaos, there have been some incredible innovations. Take education, for example. EdTech isn't just about Zoom school anymore. We're talking personalized learning powered by fancy algorithms, artificial intelligence that knows your kid's learning style better than you do, and healthcare. Forget waiting rooms and paper charts. Telemedicine is the new black. We're talking virtual doctor visits from the comfort of your own couch. Plus, the pandemic forced healthcare systems to embrace technology at lightning speed. Remember all those contact tracing apps? Yeah, that data is being used to develop some seriously cool and slightly creepy ways to track and predict disease outbreaks.